Hey everybody, Earth64 here, and in this video we are going to create a new game, and you're probably wondering, wait, aren't we going to finish the one that we do the little shoot guy, hint shoot? No, we're not going to finish that one because that one turns out it's going to be too boring for me, and I want to do something new this time. So, I think in this video tutorial series, instead of using JavaScript, I'm going to do some scripts in C#. So hooray for C#. Okay, now the first thing we're going to need to do is to create a floor, of course. And so actually create a new project called, name the folder keyface, and then you'll end up right here. So okay, so I'm actually using a new capture stuff. So I'm using the debut video software. Can people please help me with it? It's kind of like hard to use, so if you have experience with debug, please help me. So I think this is how you zoom. There we go. So click game object creator, and we'll create cube. We'll make this cube 1 0 0, and actually not 1 0 0, 5 0. Okay, that just made something happen. So put 50 and okay, and then make this 5 0. Here we go, and there. Okay, now that we got a floor, I'm actually getting used to this a little camera thing. So okay, first thing we're gonna do is delete the main camera. Always delete the main camera if you're going to create a first-person controller game. Now create a directional light. Put that out of the way because it doesn't matter. What the heck? Hold on. Okay, good. I just got a little confused there because camera. Okay, so rename this thing. Okay, so rename the little cube floor. There we go. So now okay, I know what to do. Wait a minute. Game object, create other, and we'll create another cube. We'll call this wall. Actually, we'll call it hall wall. Here we go. And then create, actually not a duplicate. Good. Then inspector, and well, we put the scale size to like that. 0, 0, and 1, 0, 0. 50. 60. No, 30. There we go. Okay, and then make it go a little bit more here. So, okay, so now that we got that, let's create a little material. So, a project folder, create a new folder. We'll call this materials. And then, hold on. And then, select project, create, and, material. Here we go, and we'll name this wall mat. Go, and we'll select the color, and the color selector, we'll put this to blue. Okay. And then select the material and drag it onto the wall. Okay, our hot wall can now be duplicated by pressing Ctrl and D. Okay, since we got that, we can do our little roof. Control D to duplicate it, and hold on, people. Okay, now I've done what I needed to, so let's continue. Okay, so next thing we'll do is we'll put a in a second we'll create light. We'll delete this directional light and then put a point light inside this building or hall that we're gonna make. So create the cube and rename it. I hate when it does that. And rename it hollow wall. Just name it another hollow. So apply the wall material to that, and okay, and weird. Okay, 20, and no, 20. So here's a transform, and okay, maybe we can make a 40. Here we go. Okay, there we go. And we're going to make a duplicate of that. I'm pressing Ctrl D. Oh my god. There we go. Now, like I told you, okay, so like I told you, we're not gonna need this directional light for this scene. we're going to use a point light. So at a game object, create another point light. And then, with the point light still selected, go align with view. So, okay. So we got that. 0, 0, 0. Okay, I have no idea what it did. Oh, that. Derp. Okay, so actually make this directional light go down a little bit. I mean, not directional light, point light. Let's set the range to 30. There we go. A lot better. Okay, now we're gonna import a character controller. So wait, how much time do I have? Okay, I have 11 minutes. So I'm gonna stop at 15 minutes for each video, and hopefully I could get through one video a day. So that's cool. And I'll try not to stop this one, because this one I hope is gonna be really fun. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go to Assets, Import Package, and then we'll select the character controller. You'll see this and click Import. Waiting for the import assets. Waiting for the assets to import. Oh, just to show you that. And I'll do that, and there we go. And standard assets, character controller, first person. We want a first person, not third person. So let's drag it in. Oh, and what we'll do is we'll make this up. Go a little bit high, and this high too. There we go. Here, now we got our room. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. So I'll see you in the next video. See ya, guys.